The St. Andrew North Police are searching for 3 suspects who have been attempting to abduct women in the corporate area. Crime Chief for Area 5 Police Headquarters, Superintendent Derek Champagne, says the cops have reacted to a social media post in which a man claimed that 3 persons attempted to abduct his son's girlfriend this week. He said investigators have contacted persons close to the woman in an attempt to collect a statement from her. Superintendent Champagne is urging women, especially those in the Barbican and Ligany areas of St. Andrew, to be on alert. In the social media post, the man claimed his son's girlfriend was shopping in a supermarket in Barbican when she observed that she was being watched by 3 suspicious-looking men. The woman became concerned and contacted her boyfriend, who went to the supermarket with a friend. The boyfriend reportedly stood outside and observed 2 men trailing his girlfriend as she exited the supermarket. He then went to her assistance and escorted her to the vehicle. The men drove away. Superintendent Champagne is urging persons with information on the man to contact the Constant Spring Police.
New data show that the number of people living below the poverty line declined by almost 20% in 2016. The data were reported in the latest Jamaica Survey of Living Conditions tabled in Parliament on Tuesday. We have the details in this report.
The Jamaica Survey of Living Conditions shows the individual poverty rate in 2016 was 17%, representing a decline of 4% when compared with the rate in 2015. It pointed out that a number of positive indicators in the economy helped to account for the decline, chiefly economic growth of 1.4% between 2015 and 2016, which saw just under 39,000 more people finding work. It also showed that people were spending more as well. The data show that average consumption went up by almost 5%, driven largely by those who live in rural areas. That increase was due mainly to an increase in agricultural production in 2016, which earned more money for rural households. And as poverty fell, inequality, that is the gap between the lowest and highest earnings, fell to the lowest it has been since 1991. Still, as outlined in the Survey of Living Conditions, the average consumption of the wealthiest 20% of the population was 6 times that of the poorest 20%. O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.